Summer weather extends into the early part of September in the nation's capital, while somewhat cooler weather will be enjoyed near the end of the month. During early September, you can expect to encounter daytime high temperatures mainly in the mid-80s, while early in the morning, the temperatures are most likely to be in the mid to upper 60s. On average, about 2 or 3 days during this month will see temperatures reaching or exceeding 90 degrees Fahrenheit. But this is much better than the month of August, when 8 to 9 days typically reach 90 degrees or higher. Towards the end of this month, daytime highs fall to the mid-70s, and morning low temperatures average in the mid to upper 50s. Clear or partly sunny skies occur over Washington about 60% of the time during September, while cloudy skies prevail on about 1 out of 4 days. Some rainfall occurs on 8 days during this month. However, heavy rains of half an inch or more occur on only 2 or 3 days. Be prepared with sunscreen, sunglasses, and a light jacket for your trip. All in all, September is a very good month for joining us at DC by Foot to explore Washington, D.C.